Farmer Coffey here. We're going to take a look at the bees and see how they're doing. They also need some food, some sugar water, because there is absolutely nothing for them to eat, or very little, during this drought that we're having. I'm going to get the smoker going. Got the beautiful Miss Genevieve being the camera lady here, helping me out. So you may want to know, why do I have bees? Well, I like bees, number one. Number two, I like honey. And number three, we need to pollinate our strawberries. We didn't get 100% pollination last year, so I went ahead and picked up a hive, and so we can get 100% pollination. Now, I don't have any experience with bees in Texas, but I do in Alaska. And so anyways, I have experience in Alaska raising bees, but not in East Texas. We have a different time of varmints here in Texas than we do Alaska. Alaska, it was bears, and of course bears are real easy. You know, it's electric fence and a bullet launcher is how you take care of bears. Here we have beetles, we have mites, and we got moths. So what I'm going to do is, there's a lot better videos out there of people that know a lot more than I do. So this isn't going to be a how-to. It's just going to show us just getting into the hive and just looking at stuff. So right now what I'm going to do is just give them a little bit of smoke, and just so they can't use their pheromones to say there's somebody here robbing the hive. These are Italian bees, and they are so mellow compared to what I'm used with. In Alaska I had Russian and Caucasian bees, and they were very aggressive. You'd walk by the hive and they would try to get you. So we're going to look in here, see what we have going on. Got a super in here. I just wanted to make sure they had enough room so they didn't swarm on me. Here's a protein patty I had. They've eaten a little bit of it, which is good. That means they're not starving. This right here is a I can't remember the name, thing you put in the dryer to
dryer sheet or something?
Yeah, dryer sheet. They are supposed to catch mites. I don't have any mites in there, just a couple of bees that died, so apparently I don't have a mite infestation. I did buy this hive from Bee Supply here in Texas, and very happy with them. The hive is in good shape. It didn't have any beetles to speak of, no wax moths, and I'm not going to check for mites this time. I'm going to go ahead and treat this winter. And I believe the best way to keep your infestation down is to be proactive. And these bees are so mellow, Miss Genevieve does not even need a bee suit. In fact, it's overkill with my bee suit. Let's check our traps here and see if we have any beetles. Got something, ants. Caught some ants, good. No beetles. And we're just going to leave that the way it is. We'll check the other one. Get that out of there without breaking it. Let's get our hive tool. Try this out. Yeah, these bees are so docile. I don't even feel like I need a bee suit. Oh, we got some hive beetles in there. Very good. The only good hive beetle is a dead hive beetle. Can you catch that, Genevieve?
Right there.
Yeah, there's about 6 of them.
Here, wait. Let me focus it. There we go. Got it.
Okay. Let's just pull a couple of these frames out. We're not going to do a deep dive into the hive. And just to let you know that there are a lot better videos out there with people that know a lot more about hives than I do. So I'm not going to try to do a how-to hive or how to do beekeeping. These are all stuck together.
That's actually pretty good. It means they're working hard.
Let's see what we got in here. It is tight.
Maybe you should move that beetle catcher to the other.
Yeah, let's pull this out. I think this is keeping us from. Yeah, this winter I'm going to treat the mites with oxalic acid, and whether they need it or not, I'm just going to treat them because I do not want a mite infestation. And what's interesting about the oxalic acid is it's the same toxic compound. Oh, look at her. Look at all that. That's a goldenrod. See, she's doing her little dance. Yeah, there is some goldenrod, and there's a little bit of pollen from the grass seed, but not much for them to eat right now. Take this out gently. See what they're doing here. Oh, they didn't like that.
Should we probably blow some more smoke onto them?
Yeah, we'll pull more smoke on them. Kind of empty. Don't get stung, Genevieve. Not too much smoke because it doesn't really help. Yeah, I'd like to see more of these filled up. I don't see a lot going on here. Let's see what else we have going on. They're kind of empty. I'd like to see some honey or some brood. I'm not seeing much. I'm not seeing much.
The building on that side.
This one looks a little bit better here.
Inside. Well, actually.
So you got to tell the difference between brood and honey.
Ooh, that one's
They got a little bit. Nothing there.
Well, actually.
First, and they go to the sides.
Because the center is where everything's going to be. This little bee that's trying to annoy me over here.
Yeah, well, they will sting you.
And kill me.
They're not happy.
Can I blow some smoke?
Put it back together. See that right there is drone. Those are drones right there. Those big ones. And at one time they were doing queens. Yeah, I would like to see more bees in this hive. That's why we're feeding. I won't get any honey this year out of them, of course, but I want a nice, strong hive for
Should we check the
next
other?
year. Nope, we're not going to worry about it.
Okay.
They're unhappy enough. Oh, they didn't like that. No, two's fine. Two's fine. One caught beetles, one didn't. See, this one they're not even using. It's all old. A little bit more extra room. That's just too tight.
Ooh! That bee does not like me. I'm going to come. Ooh! That bee does not like me. I'm going to come over here with me.
Yeah, I think that's safe.
Attacking me. Ow!
You get stung?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you go someplace else?
Okay.
Go take a Benadryl from Granny.
Okay.
Hey, we can look in here. I can see that there is no sugar water in here. We need them some sugar water. Want to make sure they're ready for winter. This back on. That beetle trap. Okay, on the bottom of this beetle, or this super, I've got a queen excluder. Keep her out of there. Although there is no building, no activity at all. I'm going to wait until it cools off here in a couple of weeks, and I'll go ahead and take this off because they're not going to use this for winter. So there's no reason to have them this extra room in here. Okay, Miss Genevieve got stung, so I lost my camera lady. There you have it. Keeping bees is really easy. It's about as hard as keeping a cat. I plan on getting 3 more hives this next year. Really the time to get a hive in East Texas is the spring, not the fall, but I wanted to make sure we were ready for the 6,000 strawberries that we had coming. Anyways, that's it. Just looking in the beehive. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my family, and please subscribe. Take care.